It was crap. It was supposed to be this stuff you just spray on there and it just breaks out in this amazing, beautiful, glassy looking shine. Well, that didn't happen. So what I did do is I got my my little spinner wheel with the fuzzy thing on it out, and I waxed the bed from here back, and we're gonna rub her down. Now this is what she looks like. I don't know if you can see how streaky that is. And we'll see what she looks like after I rub this off of here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I got my chrome chips also today for this. That dresses it up a little bit. Yeah, baby. So I'll put y'all right here while we wipe that down, see what she looks like after we get this stuff rubbed off it. I think I need a better buffer. I used to have one, but I think I moved off and left it up in Maine. I'll go here in this drawer and see if I see one. I think I do. Might be something I need to put on my list though, because it's going to take me a week and a sore arm. Get this all off here. I think you can pick one up down at the Walmart for pretty cheap. That looks pretty good. Had some listed on Amazon for this truck. So Cutworm sent me a diagram of vacuum lines. Let me find that. That's going to be on my phone here. Right here. So I'm going to try to follow this diagram he sent me and figure out where all the vacuum lines go on this motor. So that should be fun. Oh, the joy. Oh, the joy.